Listen to this bird.
I think it's a mockingbird. You seen that commercial where some guy says, "Hey, look at that bird. I think it's a mockingbird," and then the bird says, "I think it's a mockingbird." I think it's hilarious. I don't see it. Here's Maui. Again today, we had such bad winds yesterday, high winds. Lost lots of fruit. I'll be cutting this way back soon because my Logan loquat is desperately wanting some sunlight. That's called a Hong Kong orchid tree. Beautiful. It's probably 70 years old. All right, have a great day. Plant lots of fruit trees. Central Florida's on 9B, and we get about 100 chill hours.